Hello everyone, I am Meghna Srivastav and I am Business Development Manager at CCASE. I welcome you all at today's webinar session, and just to show you that how you can fire up your career, the agenda for today's session would be like first we will be talking about what is CCASE, what are we doing at CCASE. Second, the courses that are offered by CCASE. Third, why you should opt for CCASE solutions. Fourth, the course structure that is being designed for you all. CCASE is an IT organization based in Jaipur, Rajasthan. We working in different verticals and domains as well. We are IT partners to different companies outside India, which is in Europe and US. And that is why how we have a presence in our Western markets as well. Our vision to partner and grow with like-minded technology consultancy firms, enabling them to better service their clients by providing access to a deep, experienced, and cost-effective talent pool on a continuing or project-by-project basis. Basically, at CCASE, we are not only offering our services at technological background, but also for functional and consultancy services as well. So our verticals here not only step up to one domain, we are stepping up to different domains that involves customized application development, digital transformation, data science training and projects, technology and process consulting, and edtech. Our reach. Best research scholars associated with top universities in the world. Experienced veterans from Tier 1 companies. Average experience of 12 years level management team alone. Now I would introduce you to our team, the trainers. Dr. Bohar Singh. He's one of the co-founders of CK's Technology. He's currently working as an associate research scientist in Columbia University, New York. And an IISc alumni and PhD holder, his vast knowledge in the field of data science and his insights has laid the foundation for CK's solutions. Dr. Sajan Kumar. He is also one of the co-founder of CK's Technologies. After completing his PhD from University of Delaware in USA, he started working as a postdoctoral researcher at McGill University, Montreal. Ms. Shruti Bijawat. She has around 11 plus years of experience working as assistant professor in Purnima Institute of Engineering and Technology. She is an MTech and MCA, currently pursuing PhD. She has numerous certifications from IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, and MNIT Jaipur in Python, ML, and data science. Mr. Lovepreet Singh. He started working as a Python developer, but now eventually has upgraded its skills and now working as a data scientist at CK Solutions. He's a technical graduate from Punjab University. Mr. Saurabh Sharma. He is the project lead data scientist at CK Solutions. He has around 12 years experience in different domains and now he is working as a data scientist along with the project development team at CK Solutions. Now I would like to pass on to Mr. Saurabh so that he could further explain what course and what we'll be offering.
Uh, Thank you, Meghna. And hello, and I welcome you all with our webinar today. The basic reason behind this webinar is that we realized that there is a lot of a lot of skill development that is required for the students who are yet to appear for their final placements in their colleges. So around that, we have developed and come up with a few courses which would help you around. So before wasting any time further, I'll just give you a brief around the courses. So we have multiple courses that have been developed around various technologies and platforms like Python, machine learning, cloud computing, Android. Uh, Now I would like to invite Ms. Bijawat to take you. I would hand over the dice to her, and she will discuss why is it important. I mean, why you can choose CKs.
Good evening, students. Once again, I just wanted to hear what the students said because, see, over C case, we do not give you the false acquisitions or say something and do something. We have a very focused approach. What do I mean by focused approach? We hold your hands from today and we will make ensure that we are always there for you. The doors of our office are always open for you. Suppose you opt for a small certification course for us, so it is not like as soon as you complete the course and then the relationship between the student and the instructor or the organization is ended. Fine, we are always there for you. If you are stuck anywhere, you're not doing any course with us, then too we are ready to help to you. We are very much precise on whatever we are saying, whatever we are promising. We deliver the same concept to the student because we understand that this time matters a lot. A student need to be very very much skilled if you really want to be placed in good companies. Okay, we will be upgrading your skills. We will be tackling you in the manner that how you could be placed in companies like Google. I'm not taking big names, but really we want to focus your approach that you are focused or you're placed in companies like TCS, Infosys, Google, Amazon, Twitter, and so on. So we will be training you according to that. We don't want to speak much and do less. We are a software development companies. We handle all the aspects of training. What do I mean by all the aspects of training? That is, we cover the basic parts, then we go on to the intermediate, and then we go on the advanced. We don't leave you just in the middle somewhere that you land up nowhere. Fine, we don't outsource our firm. There are many of the organizations, what they do, they conduct such webinars and then they hand over their jobs to some other trainers, to some other firms, and then they are not able to collaborate, like where the student is standing, what are they doing. Once the fees is with the organization and then they think that the work is done. We are not like this. We have our instructors within the premises. We work as a team and we try in delivering whatever we are speaking. Fine, we are one stop shop. That is, we are providing you many courses under one roof, and we don't stop here. Like suppose you are learned for now, suppose you are finding a course in Python, you're done with Python. As soon as you're done with Python, what you can do, you can opt our data analysis course, or if you're interested you can go for machine learning, or you are interested you can go with IoT courses or iOS courses or so on. After completion, suppose you are a 6 semester student, after completion of 6 sem, we offer you the internship programs also in house, so you can come and join our internship. We are also giving stipend to our interns also, so you just show us your capability. Fine, we are ready to give you internships. In internships, after this we are also planning to come up with a interview preparation module. There we'll be preparing you for big companies, big names, and we will give you everything under one roof. That is, we will be providing you the training of your subjects also. We will be training you on your communication skills also. We will be training on your aptitude also. So once you join us, and then whatever your career shape has to be, it becomes our responsibility. Like, now there are many of the organizations who provide you with a self-paced course. Like suppose you have joined any of the courses using some other websites, or you're joining some courses using some YouTube. Over there the main drawback is you don't have the live session. Suppose you have a query and you're stuck somewhere, then you do not have, like, you cannot have answers right at that moment. We will be giving you live sessions. We have very trained instructors. They will be dealing with every of your queries. Even after the session, suppose a query is not solved, I've already told you that we have an open work environment. You can contact to the trainer. You can just come up to the office. The doors are always open to you, for you. You can just come up with your query, try to solve them, come with us, work with us. We give you the opportunity to work with live projects, because in the initial sites you've already seen that we are not just an edtech firm. We are working with real-time projects. We have developing the softwares. If you really have the capability, we give you the opportunity to work with the live projects. Okay. Any queries, anything which any of the student want to ask till here? Okay. Now the course structure, we are planning to start the courses from first week of Feb. For the comfort level, because we know you all are college students, you have your college, you have the other work also. We are planning 1 to 2 hours lectures per day, and it will be 5 days per week. The duration of these courses is 30 hours. So we are giving extensive 30 hours to every course. These are the short certification courses. The courses have already been listed to you. The fees of these courses, see, nothing comes for free. So these courses have the range around 2,500 to 3,500. If you see that it is less than 100 rupees for a lecture, and we promise you that you will definitely gain and you will not be at a loss at the end of the course. All these will be practical hands-on session. No theory sessions will be like, until and unless it is very necessary. We go with hands-on. We will teach you the modern tools. We will teach you how to deal with the real-time situations. Okay. In the end of the course, there will be small projects, so you will be able to implement whatever work you have learned. Okay. Again, students, any doubts, any questions still here? So students, I just want to say that the students who are planning to go with data analysis and machine learning, the basic prerequisite is that you learn Python first, because Python is very much strong language. If you want to go into different fields, like you want to become a data analyst, you're planning for a data scientist and so on, the first and foremost requirement is Python. So you should be good at Python, and then I think you can do any of the courses like this.